Hi, Mark. I wanted to show you the redesigned app. This is a recording of it from my phone, my iPhone. As you can see, I've used the recreated logo, and this is the new menu items. It scrolls up so that we can change the order. We can change the photos that go along with each one. We can change the words that are over it. In the upper left-hand corner, you see a messages box. It's really an inbox, and it talks about that's where the push notifications are archived. On the right-hand corner, that cog icon is where you go to set your profile. You can sign up or log in if you've already got an account. You can also access the privacy policy. This you can sign in with email, Facebook, or Twitter. Or if you have an account, you can click on the login button down at the below Twitter. And that's how you do that. So let's click on location. Has a map of where you're located. It's got your address, some photos that are potentially linkable. Down at the bottom, you can see there's a call us button. There's a button for directions to you, as well as a link to your website and one that starts up an email to you. Now this is fence types. What I did is I took the videos that you had on Facebook and I loaded them into here, the wood icon video. And you're not hearing sound because when I recorded this video on the iPhone, the video recorder that I use, the app that I use, does not record sound. So you're not hearing the sound, but it plays perfectly well, just as it would on your Facebook page or in YouTube or whatever. But I wanted to show you that I loaded them up in each of the... Now on this one, I noticed on your website, this version actually has a little lead-in clip that leads into this, but on the Facebook page, which is actually a better framing of this, it didn't. But that's the one that I downloaded. And then here's the one on link fence. Refer a friend is a way to share the app. So completely customizable. You click on the share button, and this is just how iPhones share anything. So you can text message, send an email, tweet. There's Facebook. If somebody wanted to post a message to Facebook about Good Neighbor Fence and the app, I came up with some language that's built into the back end. So in this case, I wrote, Good Neighbor Fence Company is the best. They just completed my fence, and their GNFC app is full of valuable information and convenience. Download it here. That becomes a clickable link and takes them to Google Play Store or the Apple App Store for them to download. So if somebody wants to share about you and share the app, they can do it very easily through texting, or the same message comes up if they hit the email button. The same concept works on Android phones, but it's just how Android shares is a little bit different than how iOS, Apple phones share. Okay, so going back to the next share photo, I just thought that this would be good. I wrote this, share a photo of your fencing issue, and we'll be in touch to schedule a maintenance visit. So again, that's completely customizable, but if they click send us a photo, what it does is it asks them, again, it's different on iPhones versus Android phones, but it asks if if the app can access the camera. Then you take a quick picture. I just took one of my office. You then hit send photo. It opens up an email with the photo attached. And right now it's going to your email address. That's customizable to whatever you want. And the subject line, fence cam, can be changed as well. And then they can write a note to support the photo that's being sent. You get the photo, or somebody on your team gets the photo and handles the process, handles following up with the person. In this case, the photo is stored on my phone, so I have a record of what photos I've taken in that respect. A lot of my clients will use this and take picture of a great fence that you've seen that you'd like us to create for you, or maybe you can create a little campaign where you, for all of your customers, take a photo of your fence. Maybe it's a pool enclosure and it's of the fence, but it's about the family having fun at poolside. And if they send it in through the app, maybe you'll use it on your Facebook page and they'll be entered in to win a $25 gift certificate or something. It's a way to market, to drive attention and to grow your business. So let's move on to gallery. This is photos that I took from your Facebook page. And it's pretty straightforward. It just slides. You swipe it with your finger. You can also, if you had an Instagram account or a Picasa account, we could link directly to them. So if you uploaded new photos to Instagram, they would automatically update on the app. Next one is testimonials. This is really about internal dialogue and comments and responses, replies from people who have the app. So this is a comment that I posted earlier this evening as I was going through and testing this before I shot this video. I logged out so I can show you the login process. In order to leave a comment, you need to be logged in. That way you know who's making comments, especially if they've got an issue or if they'd like follow-up, you know who to respond to. You can also, in the back end, delete anything that you're not happy with. So here's one that I just love, the GNFC app. Lots of information and convenience. Check it out. Here's the photo that I took. And it's just good. Anybody would see this. They could hit reply and reply to me. So it's like a Facebook group, if you want to look at it that way. And then finally, messages. This is where the push notifications are archived. If somebody sees the inbox icon on the upper left-hand corner that has a number or a dot on it, so it means there's an unread message, you click on that, or you click on the messages photo down at the bottom, and it takes you to that list of archived messages, push notifications. And we can, talk more about that, getting into, well, I won't go into that. So, Mark, I hope you like what we've done with the app, with the new design. Again, so much of this is editable or customizable. If there's any changes you'd like me to make, let me know. I really would love to get this approved and pushed out to publish in the stores before the end of the month. The reason I'm saying that is Apple has changed their guidelines as of April 1st, in which case if we don't publish or republish this before April 1st, then you're going to need to establish an Apple developer account. And that's going to run you $99 a year. That's just Apple's requirements moving forward as of April 1st. All new apps and republished apps as of April 1st and moving forward. Apple wants to establish a relationship with you as the customer, and it's no longer allowing app developers like myself to be the developer of record for 40, 50, 60 apps in the App Store. They want individuals. I also think they're doing it so that they can make $99 a year. That goes, you pay them directly. I can help you if we get stuck and end up having to do that, then, I can walk you through creating an Apple developer account. But if we can get this turned around quickly, then we can get this done before April 1st, and I think it'll just be easier all the way around. So I look forward to hearing back from you. Give me a call if you have any questions, or shoot me an email, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot, Mark. Take care.